Just have to admit that it's all coming back to me. It's all coming back, it's all coming back to me now. The moments of love, now are the flashes of light. There were things I never dreamed of, then they always seem right. There were nights of endless pleasure. Cause I'm your lady, and you are my man. Whenever you reach for me, I'll do all that I can. Lovers leaving tides, avoided by thunder now. As I look in your eyes, I hold on to your body and feel you. Your voice is warm and tender, a love that I could not forsake. 'Cause I'm your lady, and you are my man. Whenever you reach for me, I'm gonna do all that I can. We're heading for something, somewhere I've never been. Sometimes I get frightened, but I'm ready to learn of the power of love. It's all coming back, it's all coming back to me now. There were moments of gold and there were flashes of light. There were things I never do again, but then they always seemed right. There were nights of endless pleasure. It was more than any love could. Baby, 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 you touch me like this, and I hold you like that. It was gone with the wind, but it's all coming back to me. When I see you like this, and when I see you like that, then we see what we want to see, all coming back to me. The flesh and the fantasies, all coming back to me. I can barely recall, but it's all coming back to me now. 'Cause I'm your lady, and you are my man. Whenever you reach for me, I'm magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Woo! It's so nice to be here. First of all, you know, I always start my day with gratefulness and thankful. Maraming salamat po, Panginoon, for all the blessings. Thank you so much for bringing each one of you tonight safely. At maraming salamat po at naalala nyo ako. Thank you to our producers tonight and to all the sponsors. Palakpakan naman po natin sila. Alam niyo po, before I sing my next song, I thought I'd share my journey, where I started, at paano po ako napunta dito. So, I've been here in the US for 2 decades now. I moved here in year 2004. So, I left at the peak of my career as this Tutsi Guevara pop star in the Philippines. So, some of you, or maybe most of you, are wondering why. You know, she just disappeared. Ano nangyari? So, paano ko ba sasabihin to? Nag-start po ako, I think I should, I'm looking at, but besides my husband who's white, I'm counting whites here. Because I want to understand if I should speak English or Tagalog. Or Taglish, is that okay? Just interpret na lang sa mga ursh. So what I'm trying to say is, yeah, so my first career was this pop star recording artist. See, the white guy is smiling. Yeah, at least you don't understand. So I started in the industry when I was 4 years old, all the way to college, adulthood, but my mom instilled in me that she raised me up as a type A personality, meaning you have to finish your education, which I'm so grateful, and my dad, my late dad too. So having said that, my life evolved just this pop star, singing, traveling, not just within the Philippines, but outside. I've been coming here back and forth in the US when I was doing that Tutsi Guevara. So the point here is, as we all know, that industry, it's not very easy to the point that there's a lot of temptation, right? Indecent proposal. Not everything is what we see on TV. So having said that, I felt that at the peak of my career, even though I have all the fame and whatnot, I felt like my soul and the environment I'm in is not aligned with who I am. So having said that, I made a tough decision when my dad said, well, I'm retiring, I'm gonna be with your siblings, because there's 6 of us, 4 already here in the US, and my dad just waiting for me to graduate because I was an honor student, so he could put the medal on me. And my younger sister, who only has 2 years left in college. So then he said, I'm gonna retire in 2004, so in 2003 I informed Star Records, now Star Music, and ABS-CBN, and my agent that next year I'm gonna live my life as Emma. And then of course they're like, are you crazy? Everyone wants to be like you. I said, well, thank you. So, but I said, I don't feel like, it's just time for me to go on. It's time for me to live my life as Emma. So then I came here. My first job was a realtor in California. That's where I'm based. And my broker, his name is Glenn, has a real estate company, and his mom, one day I saw visited the office, drives a Toyota Prius that has Precious Home Companion. And she's like this cute little 60-some-year-old at that time. And I said, Nina Priscilla, she was my godmother at the wedding. And I said, I think you need to hire me as your marketing manager. And silent. I was like, oh my God. I think I insulted her because I'm very assertive. And she said, oh my God, that's a great idea. I'm like, thank God, you know? And the rest is history. Currently, I'm so grateful. I'm currently a hospital executive, doing the operations, business development, post-acute strategy, and behavioral services in Orange County, which is in California. The 2 hospitals I'm accounted for is the Garden Grove Hospital Medical Center, and the other one is Huntington Beach Hospital. So that's my life right now. And I am happily married with an Italian man who's right there, Mr. Mike Monaco. Thank you. And that's my son who's sitting. Oh, and he's a shy. Oh my God, Mom. Joey, are you gonna say? Yeah, so that's my life now. My other son is actually in Sacramento State. We just moved him last week over there. I'm actually doing good. I thought I was gonna cry almost every day. But yeah, that's who I am now. So, let's go back to memory lane. What I was mentioning earlier. I was known for, when I was based in Manila, I was known for all these Tagalog hit songs. Yes. Even then I was already a rebel, because believe it or not, now you guys know. Do you know that Star Music wanted to label me as the Aliyah Philippines version? So I was like, and it was actually my composition is in English, it's R&B. But then I told the topics that, no, I think our single should be Pasulip Sulyak. And they were like, okay, if it's a flop, then it's on you. Oh my goodness, I think I prayed so many novena. And that was my first hit song. So, balikan po natin, let's go back to all the hits. It's a medley of all my hit songs. Mahal Ka Sa Akin, thank you. Nang Dahil Sa Pag-ibig. Pasulap-sulyak. At, itong kantang to, hindi nyo alam. Alam mo ba? Oo, mamayak kayo. Alam mo si Ogie, napakabait nun. Ogie, gawin mo naman ako ng kanta. So sige, pangako ko sa'yo. My promise to you. Let's hit it! Our sound engineer, palakpakan naman natin si Joshua. Baka makahanap ako ng boyfriend dito. Mahal Ka Sa Akin. Ay, maganda mo naman. Kasi bakit ka nag-change? Okay lang. Maghanap ako ng straight.
Mahal na mahal, yan ang damdamin na sa'yo nararamdaman. Kung di mo alam, puso, pinakalagay, bakit ka namabastan? O bakit ang pagkain mo sa aking patuloy? Lagi
Ibigay mo siya. Evidence.
tawag ng aking damdamin ay ikaw at walang iba. Ang lahat sa akin ay ikaw lang pera. Puso'y pag-aluluhain, ang pagsarap ko'y tingin. Tunay na tunay, mahal ka sa akin.
Give it up for Jokoy! Hello? Yan na naman ang time. What's your name, sir? Joe? So Joe can ask you to sign up next to me. Pwede po ba, right? Nandiyan po ba si Mrs.? Oh, hello, Mrs. Oh, this is just work.
This is Ogie Alcasi na hindi mababago. Kanta mo kay Mrs. Ang puso kong ito. Ang man kailanman, tanging ikaw lamang ang mamahalin, sasambahin.
Ito yung pinopost ni Ogie para sa inyong mag-asawa.
Pangako ko na hindi maglalago ang pag-ibig ko sa'yo. Sa hirap at ginhawa ay tayong dalawa ang magsasama. Iniwag ng mga pangako ko.
Give it up for Joe! Kahit anong mangyari dito, di kita iniwan.
Kahit anong bagyo sa buhay natin dumating, ay
kailangan natin pangako ko. Kahit pumuti na ang buhok natin,
kahit ikaw paligid, ang ibig pangako sa'yo.
Thank you, Dan. Ito naman. This is dedicated to the people who are not satisfied with loving just one person. Right now, ay Diyos ko po. Sa panahon ngayon, ang gastos. Ay Diyos ko.
Sa dibdib ko napapalaman, wala nang ika'y ibigin ko. Kahit sa'yo lang umikot mundo ang puso kong ito.
Kayo naman.
Dahil dalawa aming mahal mo, aking sumba, mariting wala
Salamat ha.
sa labi ko.
Di makikinig sa papayo niyo. Puso ko ang susunod ko. Pagkamahal, mahal ko siya.
Nang dahil sa pag-ibig, natutong makikinig. Nang dahil sa pag-ibig, nagmahal ng lubos ang puso kong ito. Dahil umaasa, pasan mo ang pag-ibig ko. Nang dahil sa pag-ibig, sunod-sunod ako. Sa lahat ng gusto mo. Nang dahil sa pag-ibig, umiiyak ngayon.
Thank you pa rin ako niyo naman. Ngayon naman, they're not satisfied with just loving two people. But listen to this lyrics. I'll translate to you later. Maybe your beautiful wife. Oh, I love it. You guys are matching. Sana all. No translate. I don't know how to translate sana all. I hope all.
Sabi mo, ako'y tunay mo minamahal. Sabi mo, pag-ibig natin ay magtatagal.
Sabi mo.
Ngunit bakit ang damdamin mo'y para bang hindi ka sakit? Walang buhok, kapunyahin na kay
Sabi ka nga ba eh.
Sabi mo, ito'y magbabalik. Sabi mo, di na mag-inis. Kalalagi ka ng puso ko. Nabulay ang may inabis. Sabi mo, ako'y di magbabalik. Bantayan
sorry. Okay lang ba? Kaya na. Oh, really? Mamaya mag-usap tayo. Ayan ka?
Sabi na lagi lang nag-aabang ng iyong suya habang nadaraan. Nang di pansin ang mga ngiti ko, maniba ang puso at ang mo.
Here we go, Ira! I wanna hear you sing!
Tingin-tingin sa akin, ang ibig mong sabihin,
Pagbigay,
pagtapat mo na sa akin, agad naman kita sasabihin. Sulit-sulit at luwain, ang tingin sa akin, di maintindihan ang ibig mong sabihin. Kung manong ang ibigay, ipagtapat mo na sa akin, agad naman kita sasabihin. Agad naman kita
maraming salamat po! Woo! I love it! What's your name, my friend? Chad, and you?
Ben.
Chad and Ben, give it up for the